Hey there everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the fluffiest pancakes ever. I'm talking about pancakes that are light, airy, and perfectly golden brown. You'll want to make these every weekend? Trust me. Let's get started. Before we begin, here are the ingredients you'll need. 1½ cups all-purpose flour, 3½ teaspoons baking powder, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1¼ cups milk. Buttermilk is great for extra fluff, but regular milk works too. 1 large egg, 3 tablespoons melted butter or vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. First, let's combine our dry ingredients. Start with 1½ cups of all-purpose flour. Then add 3½ teaspoons of baking powder. The key to those fluffy pancakes is all about the leavening agent, and that's the baking powder. Next, we're adding 1 tablespoon of sugar for a hint of sweetness, and just a pinch of salt to balance everything out. Give your dry ingredients a good whisk to make sure everything is evenly distributed. We want to make sure the baking powder is spread out evenly so your pancakes rise perfectly. Now, let's work on our wet ingredients. Crack 1 large egg into a separate bowl. To that, we're adding 1¼ cups of milk. You can use regular milk or buttermilk if you have it. Either works, but buttermilk will give your pancakes a slightly richer taste and extra fluff. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to give them that delicious aroma. And finally, we add 3 tablespoons of melted butter. This gives the pancakes richness and helps them stay moist. Whisk the wet ingredients until smooth. You want everything well combined, but be careful not to overmix it. We're going to add the wet ingredients to the dry, and then we'll stir just enough to bring everything together. Now comes the important part. Make a well in the center of your dry ingredients and pour in the wet mixture. Gently stir the batter. Important, you don't want to overmix. It's totally okay if there are a few lumps in the batter. Overmixing will lead to tough pancakes, and we want them to stay light and fluffy. Now, here's a little pro tip. Let the batter rest for about 5 minutes. This gives the baking powder time to activate and helps the pancakes rise even more. You can use this time to heat up your skillet. While the batter is resting, heat up your skillet or griddle to medium-low. You want it hot enough to cook the pancakes, but not so hot that they burn on the outside before cooking through. Now, pour about 1/4 cup of batter onto the pan for each pancake. You should see bubbles start to form on the surface after about 2 minutes. Once you see the bubbles and the edges look set, it's time to flip. The pancakes should be golden brown and fluffy. Cook for another minute or so on the other side until they're cooked through. Look at that! Perfectly golden and fluffy. Now stack your pancakes high and top them with whatever you like. I'm going with a little butter and some maple syrup. But you could add fresh berries, whipped cream, or chocolate chips. And there you have it. The fluffiest pancakes ready to enjoy. I hope this recipe helps you make pancakes that are soft, airy, and absolutely delicious. It's so simple yet so satisfying. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious recipes and soundful insights. And if you try these pancakes, don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know how they turned out. Also, share this video with a friend who loves pancakes, and I'll see you in the next one. Enjoy your pancakes, my friends.